Income and expenditure account. Okay, so here income and expenditure account is basically a summary of all the incomes and also the expenses for the not for profit organization. Okay, this is being prepared at the end of accounting year, and it is prepared basically to find out whether there is any surplus or deficit, that is whether there is any profit is called here, it is called as surplus, and deficit means it is the loss which is related to that particular year. Okay, and here in this particular income and expenditure account, we will be entering only the revenue receipt and revenue expenditure. Okay, why this is being specifically given is in receipts and payments account, in the previous account till illustration 5, we wrote all the receipts and payments, that is cash, that is your capital receipts, revenue receipts, capital payments and revenue expenditures. Okay, so both was being entered, but now in income and expenditure account we will not enter any capital receipt or capital expenditure. Okay, and I have told you people to write the table, right? That is your revenue receipt, capital receipt, revenue or capital receipt, capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Okay, so these accounts, you all must be thorough in these accounts so that you will know whether you have to take up one account to the revenue receipt or the capital receipt or capital expenditure or capital receipt. Okay, so that can be easily identified. Now, the next important is it is just like your profit and loss account. That is, last year we were doing, right? In the final accounts, we prepared trading account, then the profit and loss account. So here, this income and expenditure account is just like a profit and loss account. So, as usual, incomes are shown on the credit side and expenses are shown on the debit side. Okay, and here the another difference between your receipt and payment and income and expenditure is in the income and expenditure account we will enter even the non cash items. Okay, which is like what we saw was depreciation, any outstanding amount. Okay, so all those can be recorded in the income and expenditure account. So what happens is basically here it it helps the members to know the working of the organization, that is whether they are incurring any loss or they are getting any profit. So that can be easily identified by preparing the income and expenditure account.